In this week's lecture, we will examine the defining elements of a discipline's perspective. You've already been exposed to some of these elements in the previous lecture. Here, you'll learn more about each of your disciplines from an interdisciplinary perspective. We want you to think about your disciplines in the way that interdisciplinarians think about disciplines. Recall that a discipline is a system of knowledge. Psychology and sociology are examples of disciplines in the social sciences. Disciplines are useful at the start of the research process. They produce the knowledge that interdisciplinarians reference in their own work. Let's begin with the concept of phenomena. The word phenomena refers to the various aspects of the human existence that are of interest to scholars. Phenomena can include anything from why does an individual behave in this way to why does a society hold certain values. Phenomena can occur at the individual level, at the group level, at the organizational level. It can be a behavior, a thought, an emotion. It can be an event. It can be a problem. It can be a solution. There are millions of examples of phenomena that scholars study. As scholars study phenomena and learn more about them, their understanding of it can change. Some of the unfortunate side effects of taking on a disciplinary approach are, one, that several different disciplines may approach the same phenomena in very different ways, and they may draw different conclusions. And two, a discipline may ignore phenomena that is relevant and that could benefit from its research. Interdisciplinarians can help. They can help identify those gaps. There are two broad ways of identifying relevant phenomena to study. First, we could use the serial approach. We could start with a discipline or two and hope to find information regarding the phenomena of interest. Or we could start by focusing on the phenomena itself and then finding the disciplines that study it. For many years, interdisciplinarians did not have a convenient way of classifying all human phenomena. Instead, they relied on each discipline's unique perspective. Today, thanks to Sosstock's classification scheme, all phenomena can be linked to a particular discipline. You can view Sosstock's classification scheme in your textbook. He starts with the most general phenomena and then moves to more specific phenomena. Please take a moment to review the first, second, and third levels of Sosstock's categories of phenomena about the human world in your textbook. This will give you an overview of what your disciplines study. This table lists some of the phenomena associated with common disciplines. You can see that the disciplines have been divided into three categories: the natural sciences, the social sciences, and the humanities. Take a moment to review the phenomena associated with your two disciplines.